Evening, everyone. Greetings from Viva Education. As I sincerely express my gratitude for your presence here, I must also say that we are excited to observe your overwhelming presence and response for the webinar. The webinar about something that's transforming our world at an unprecedented pace, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. Imagine machines that can learn, reason, and solve problems. That's the basic idea behind AI. From the moment we wake up to AI-powered recommendations on our phones to the self-driving cars of tomorrow, AI is woven into the fabric of our lives. But AI is not just science fiction anymore. It's revolutionizing industries like healthcare, where AI assistants help diagnose diseases. It's making our homes smarter with virtual assistants controlling lights and thermostats. AI is even helping us combat climate change with algorithms optimizing energy use and developing sustainable solutions. However, the potential of AI comes with its own set of challenges. We need to ensure fairness and avoid bias in AI algorithms. We must address ethical concerns around the job displacement and privacy. The key lies in responsible development and collaboration. We need to involve experts from various fields, from engineers to ethicists, to build AI that benefits everyone. And here comes the most crucial and fundamental part of the whole journey: the intelligence, which controls and shapes the algorithms, are shaped by you, teachers. You are the one who penetrate values, ethics, morality, along with knowledge into the subconscious minds of the Gen Alpha. For that, we have got here Madam Aruna Suresh, a distinguished educator and a TEDx speaker who has also graced students for more than 25 years as a principal teacher. Today, we would nurture AI and its benefits, its tools and activities, its curriculum integration and the collaborative learning, its future trends, and of course, ethical considerations. So it's time to get enriched by the wisdom of Madam Aruna Suresh, who has inspired countless educators to embrace technology and enhance their teaching methodologies. I would like to welcome Madam Aruna Suresh to take charge of the webinar and enlighten us with her wisdom. Thank you.
So good evening, namaskar, and vanakkam to each one of you present here. I am Aruna Suresh, the mentor for today's session on artificial intelligence for educators. So before moving further, I would like to share my screen. So it is actually going to empower teachers for their teaching experience. So let me introduce myself. I am a retired CPSC school principal and a resource person in Sati Pedagogies, Eduvate, Millennium, JC Publication, World Brothers, and Invented. And I'm a volunteer in Tari Social, an organization for senior citizens, a guide in Get Set Up, an online organization for senior citizens again. I'm also a voluntary trainer for Vimukti Sanstha, which is a school for slum girls, a course developer, a podcaster, and a YouTuber also. I just would like to share mandatory rules for the session. Throughout the session, keep smiling. And in case if you think that at any point of time, something new I have shared, which is actually inspiring you, you can give an aha moment by just shaking your hands like this. So I can see few of you can shake your hands and give me an aha moment right now so that I can understand that you all are following me. Yes, thank you so much. And many times in a class of 40 minutes, students often remain with the teachers for 5 to 10 minutes, but later on they remain in their own world. So normally to get them back, we call out that if you hear me, clap once. So the same thing I will follow here. If you hear me, clap once or twice or thrice, whatever I say, you're going to clap and tell me that you are hearing me. Our topic, that is artificial intelligence in education, for educators. Why there is a need for artificial intelligence? Why there is a need? In every aspect of our life has undergone great change. Every domain of our life. Now, you can imagine just few years back when we have to book a ticket for a train journey, we move on to the railway station, stand in a queue, and then we will be booking our tickets. But right now, sitting at home, within minutes, we can book the tickets. This is just one example. So when we talk about each and every domain of our daily routine life, the domains have changed drastically. So why not education sector also? And moreover, artificial intelligence is actually going to make a teacher's life very easy, and it is going to empower the teacher. So I am actually super excited to address all the elite teachers all from all over the India to explore the leverage how we can harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance teacher experience and also for students learning experience. So we need to understand what is artificial intelligence. In if I have to tell you in a simple words, artificial intelligence is actually a simulation of human intelligence. Machines are made to think like or function like human intelligence. That is artificial intelligence. So, how they are going to work? They are actually going to work using large data and follow the pattern and then take data driven decision making. So, by the end of the session, I am damn sure you all are going to go away with a toolbox of artificial intelligence technologies to enhance your teaching as well as the students' learning experience. So, in simple words, I said it's a simulation, or you can call it duplicated intelligence of human intelligence. Whatever the human being can do it, now the machine can do it. The best part of it is that that machine will do the work better than a human being, faster than a human being, and error free also. The one who is scribbling on the screen, kindly stop it. The one who is scribbling on the screen, kindly stop it. Thank you. So, in our daily life, what all artificial intelligence we are using? To name a few, that self-driven cars are about to come. In a few countries, it is already launched. Every morning you get up and say, Siri or Alexa, play Suprabhat. That is again artificial intelligence. We do all kind of payments, e-payments, artificial intelligence, and all the editing part which we are going to do, like when we are writing, some errors occur, and then errors are red lined or blue line. It gives you an option to correct the errors. All those are artificial intelligence. And you have the in your phone, your voice assistant is there. In case you find it very difficult to type, you are going to speak, and the voice assistant will type it for you. Then face recognition in many of the schools. many of the schools, the teachers enter the campus, either they punch or they show their face for recognizing and putting the attendance. And when we are doing some booking tickets online, if you want to book a ticket online in an airline, you enter and immediately a lady will pop up and say, "May I help you?" In any portal, even to say IRCTC portal also has this. Those are bots which actually is working on the basis of artificial intelligence. Then you have the translating things. You write in some language and you get it translated in your own mother tongue. There are audio that you listen to people in Hindi language, and like somebody is speaking in Hindi and you listen to them in English. Now, media streaming, social media networking sites, the algorithms that work on the pattern of what the people, those who are watching, that works on the basis of artificial intelligence. And without Google Maps, nobody can travel nowadays, right? The Google Map, that is, all the navigation maps are working on the basis of artificial intelligence. Now, knowingly or unknowingly, we all are working or using artificial intelligence in our life. Got it? So, like, we may not be knowing these are all working on the basis of artificial intelligence, but this has entered our daily routine. Now, actually, we need to bring them into the education sector. There is always a fear that, in case artificial intelligence took over the whole world, the jobs will be lost. Human beings will not be provided jobs. The fear is always there. There may be, in some industries, there may be possibilities. But I would like to say here that it is not that artificial intelligence is going to take away human beings' job. It is the one who knows artificial intelligence is going to take up your job. So we need to be very clear about it, that the one who is empowered with artificial intelligence, that person will have definitely a one rank above you in case if you're not aware of artificial intelligence. So moving ahead, we need to understand what are the, is there, at least we have a question. Many times, any new technology enters, people always have this in their mind that this will spoil the society. When newly computer entered, again, people said this only. When internet came in, people said this only. But we need to be sure that anything which comes new, people will have some negative talk about those new technology. So here also there are some people say that it is going to destroy completely everything. It is not that way. There are many, many, many benefits of artificial intelligence. At the same time, there are so many disadvantages of artificial intelligence is also there. So let us see first what are all the benefits of artificial intelligence. The first and foremost thing is the human, when we do a lot of data work, there may be chances of errors. There may be chances of lot of errors. Now here, artificial intelligence is totally error free until and unless the human input adds on some errors, it will reflect. Otherwise, it will not make any human errors. The next one is the work which we repeatedly do, we get tired, we get bored, we don't want to do for some time, we want to take rest. All those things are there. But here, you can be sure this machine doesn't get tired, doesn't get bored, and the same automatic work will be repeated n number of times without any problem. And it is faster because it can handle large amount of data at one go. The data handling, which we can, as a human being, will take a lot of time to complete the task, but this machines will do it within seconds. We can say that many times it is just blink of an eye, it will do the work. Then it actually increase the productivity. That is for sure. When a task is given and when the task is done very quickly, fastly than any other human being, definitely the productivity will be in higher range, right? Then it assists in every task. There are many areas which we do not know what it has in store for us. Then automation is possible. Like, for example, in a packaging unit, this artificial intelligence machine can actually do the packaging, millions of packaging non-stop without getting bored or tired or without stopping. So there are different artificial intelligence where weak artificial intelligence is one kind of artificial intelligence which when it is made for only one task and that task will be done perfectly by that particular machine for so many years, or you can say hours without any interruption. So automation is possible in artificial intelligence. Now let us move on to the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. First, it doesn't have any emotion. It has no emotion. It is not having any empathy towards anything. It is what is being told to it. It will do it automatically without any emotion. The next one is, as we put on a program, it will not think out of the box. What is put on inside, that it will replicate it. It will do it again and again and again. So there is very less creativity. Then this artificial intelligence machine, when you are going to use it, in case if it is having a part gone wrong, so the cost of repairing will be very high. Otherwise, also, when purchasing that kind of machines for automation is also too high, then it doesn't have any ethical principles, no ethics at all. It can copy down from anywhere and any, I mean, it will give whether it is a copyright material, without any copyright material, it will not know should I, is it ethic to do this or not. It will continuously going on doing it. Now, after a certain period of time using the mobile phones, we have become lot of dependent on mobile phones. The similar will happen when we start working on when we start using artificial intelligence. Definitely, dependence on this machines will be more, and we will at times, in case if it is not available, we will be feeling a handicap. That will be always there. Now we will be moving on to the part which is very interesting right now. That is actually the hands-on activities of the artificial intelligence tools. Now the chat box is, I think the chat box is open. I just want the teachers to write in the chat box that what exactly, what task of a teacher you find it very difficult to do and you don't want to do, you don't like to do. Anybody who can say in the chat box can write it. Anybody writing it? Lesson plan, wonderful. Lesson plan, correction, evaluating, preparing PowerPoint presentation, documents, writing script for anchoring, documentation, lesson plan, lesson plan, lesson plan, lesson plan. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful teachers. I have actually brought a magic wand. Now you just rotate that magic wand and you are going to get whatever you have written here. You will get an assistant for you to do everything. So without wasting time, we will move on to the first tool. As people said, I think one or two said question paper typing also. And if teachers can write, how many of you find difficult to type a question paper? You can write here, me, so that typing question paper, because many of the schools nowadays ask, do not take hard copies for question paper. They actually want the question papers to be n number of me, to me. Very good. Now, because like we were all traditional teachers, we did not enter the teaching profession after knowing typing skills and everything. We did develop our skills according to what, like, as per the need of the heart. Now, but still, we do the typing. Sometimes people get to the outside shops to get it typed and then get it submitted to the school. There lies the safety and security of the question papers also. Now, here we have a tool which is called as speech texter. Speech texter. Now, before going to the tools, I would like to tell you all, every tool will have a free version as well as a paid version. Now, for a beginner, a free version will do, right? In case if you people think that without this tool, I will not be able to carry forward my work or task, then you can go for this purchasing of with the price also. But then every platform comes with a trial version, that is a free version, and then later on it goes for an upgraded version. So here we go. We are going to check this tool. The speech texter, what it does is you are going to just speak. You're going to read questions, and the speech texter is going to type it for you. So this is what we are going to see, how we are going to use it, right? I'll have to go for speech texter. Yes, I've got it.
Ma'am, we can
And
see
stop
your
reading this, and then I'll again share the speech texter file. Here it is. It is a very simple, user-friendly tool where it is just an interface with a box where you can write it. Got it? Now it has an option above. You can see here, like the language can be chosen. Anyone can say, you can see the screen?
ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, thank you. Now you can choose the language. Now let me click here and I can choose English. Normally we type in English question papers. Now here again, after choosing the language, the mic icon is there at the bottom. When you click that mic icon, it will turn red. So you can see that is typing, whatever I'm speaking, it is typing over there. Can you see the typed material there? Can anyone say yes?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
So this is so simple. When you click that mic icon, after choosing your language, when you have to just read out the question paper or questions or whatever it is, your script is being typed over here. And I don't think there is lot of error over here. And in the right hand side, you have a column with all kind of, punctuations that also you can choose in case if you need it. Now, after doing this, when you don't want this to carry forward, in the sense to type further, you can stop this mic icon. It will turn to blue. Now it is not typing it. Now, there is an option at the bottom, copy. So here you can copy it or you can undo it. You can redo it. You can share across. Now, I will tell you, I will show you Hindi also. Reason being, I am very poor in Hindi, but still, I just want to show that it can type Hindi also. मुझे लगता है आप सब लोगों को मेरी जो आज का सेशन समझ में आ रहा है. So you can see that it is typing. Even my English is also being typed over there in Hindi. Got it? So this is a wonderful tool. Without this, normally I find myself lost because I have stopped typing everything, even to write a paragraph also. I do this by using this text. Got it? So I'm stop sharing that and we are going to move on to the next one. Next tool is background remover. It is again an important. Now you will be thinking where to go and search for this. Just Google, go to Google and type speech texture. The first option open, just open it. It is actually very user friendly. It doesn't ask you to sign up, sign in, log in kind of thing. Now here we have this remove image background. Now I am going to upload an image many times. So I have an image here. I'm going to upload the image. It's uploaded. Now you can see the image here and it is going to remove the background. Why this is necessary? Many times we click a photograph and then we want to use it for our own presentation. But then what happens is behind the actual image, you have something which is unwanted. You can simply go to BG, remove BG. Note it down, remove BG. Now, it is also having a very, very simple interface. You have to enter, upload the image and do it. Again, here one important thing I just wanted to say. Here it has one option which is called as erase. We call it as magic eraser. Many times you have clicked the picture and you have got a lot of friends in that. One person is not your friend. You don't want that person in your group. Here also I could see this person is peeping in. So I can use here this, just click on erase and then it is coming with the brush. I just have to move my brush over this image and click on it, done. Within second, that image is without that person. Don't you all think, isn't it magic? Type magic if you think that this is very good. So I can see few magics. Yes. Magic. Wonderful. Lovely. Very interactive group. I appreciate your participation. Now, again, I'm going to stop sharing. And we have to definitely move on to the next tool, which I think I need to go to this presentation and then we'll check the next tool. Now we have seen the speech texture and the magic eraser. Now we have one more, which is very, very useful for lower class teachers or even higher class teachers to, make the children understand the pronunciation part of thing. So here again, we are going to read aloud. This one is called as read aloud. So I am going to scribble diffusion. See, this also has a very simple interface. It has a box. What it does is, many times we are not a very, good art people. We don't know to draw anything. Now, for example, if you are trying to draw something here, it will actually give you the exact photo image of this drawing. Now, let me show. I am drawing I'm drawing a lotus. I'll try to draw because, digitally we are not very good artists. Okay, I've done something here. I'll try to do something. Done. Now I have done what is like as per a digital part, what I could do, I have done. And I have to write here, lotus in a pond. I'm giving I'm giving exactly a hint. Go. Just click on go and we can wait for what it comes up with. You'll be astonished to see the result. Again, you will write definitely magic. Can you see here the lotus? Can everyone see the lotus here?
Yes, it is visible.
Yes. So I'm going to stop here and then we are going to move on to the next one. Yes, this one tool again is going to help you like anything, but then this tool will give you 10 reports free version. And remaining after that, the school can go for a purchase where you can actually like add on for the school and it will give you many reports for. Like what is the use of this report, Jenny? This is called as report Jenny artificial intelligence, that is AI. It will give each one child when you want to write the remarks in your report cards, you can easily write it. Now here you can see the interface. You have to log in. Generally it asks for you to log in with your Google and then you need to give detail. Now for example, I can write a name of a student Ayushi and then you can give some feedback here like classwork is poor, class test is okay, and then homework is good, work ethic is poor, and then participation is okay, and then organization is also poor. Now, there are again some comments you can write here. That is, he's a regular latecomer. You can write here, click here, and then his handwriting needs to be improved. Now, you can see here we have done our data input here. Now, this artificial intelligence tool is going to give you a complete report on it. Now, let me see. It is having an option which is called as write report. Now, you have to click on it and then you can wait for, see here, it has come up with the proper, Ayushi has shown dedication in completing her work. However, she struggles with classwork and test and showing room for improvement. Her work ethic, say, her participation is could be more active and like every time when you write a remark, the leader tells you that you need to give positive comments only, no negative comments, but then you need to cover all the areas. So all these things can be very easily done with the help of this report chain. And it is very useful for the coordinators because every time coordinators have to read each and every comment, remarks, and then do the correction, grammatical errors, sometimes spelling errors, all those things are to be done by the coordinators. So if this kind of result can be report can be generated, what will be the benefit for the whole school? It will be the beneficial for the whole school. So you can actually save it, or you can copy it and paste it in your report also. Now moving further, yes. So I'll stop sharing this. And again, one very important, very important platform, I would say, which will give you a solution for everything on a single platform. Now, that is actually called as uh, TinyWow, that I will be covering. And one more thing that people are asking here for ChatGPT, that I will definitely cover. And how to use ChatGPT. Like any idea, and teachers can actually give in the comment box, what does ChatGPT used for? Can anyone tell me what is ChatGPT used for? Come on, give me comments. ChatGPT used for searching information, used for query, reference material, drafting material. Nobody knows more than that. Like it is writing report. Now, in case if I say that ChatGPT will write lesson plans for you, and ChatGPT will write make question papers for you. The thing is, you all should know how to give a prompt in the ChatGPT. Right. Now, going further, we are going to see the prompts, and then we will be. So here we go. We are going to go to ChatGPT, and then we are going to write the prompt over here. The prompt area should be visible here. Yeah, here it is. I let me write here. Write a lesson plan for 8th grade light lesson with all supporting material and assessment and worksheet. Now you can cheat with a timeline. Now let us wait for this, how it is going to get. Have you heard the prompt? The prompt is write a lesson plan for, say, within blink of an eye, it has given you the lesson plan, what activity to do, what worksheet to be done, what extension work to be done, closer, what closer you're going to do it. You can see here 10-minute worksheet, activity 20 minutes, demonstration, presentation, introduction. See, this light lesson is made, this lesson plan is given to you exactly what is required. Now, this is, I'll tell you one thing, what you want, be clear in that. What you want, be very clear in that. In case, if you are not clear, it will give a vague answer, right? But then when you are specific for chapter class 8 standard, light lesson, assessment, worksheet, you want everything, it is done. Now, many times, 9th and 10th English teachers need unseen passages. Every time, where will you exactly go to get new unseen passages? Here, you can write it, give an unseen passage for grade 10 of CBSE with synonyms, antonyms, and short questions, MCQs, and long answers. It will give you an unseen passage with all questions, with marks also. Now, here one more thing I wanted to give you, that is, now in case if I have this prompt is open, I can copy it and then do it. That will be easy. Here it is. Based on CBSE syllabus grade 8 light lesson, create a question paper Here it is. I'm going to paste it. I have written, based on CBSE syllabus of grade 8, light lesson, create a question paper for 20 marks, 5 for MCQ, 5 marks for fill in the blank, 5 for 5 questions of 2 marks short question with instructions. Now, let us see what you get. See here, it has come with MCQs, fill in the blanks. It has come. Now, finally, it is giving a note also stating read each question carefully before answering, allocate your time wisely, ensure answers are clear and concise. See, you've got a question paper for 20 marks. I have given a sample for 20 marks. In case if you want it for 40 marks, you can do it. 60 marks, you can do it, whatever it is. And don't you think you're all empowered now? So I can see here some essays is very helpful, very useful. Make a max paper. It will make a max paper, no issues at all. It will make. Now we need to move on further. So I'm stopping it here. Now let me tell you one more thing. In case if you think that your chapter is different and I cannot give a generalized CBSE pattern that way, what you can do is if you get the chapter digital, then you can share it across the ChatGPT and give the ChatGPT the prompt based on this chapter. Give the question paper for 30 marks, 10 marks for this. Be specific, very specific. You will get exactly what you want. Now, what you could do is copy and paste it in a paper and do the header for your school and get it done. That's it. Like I'll tell you, artificial intelligence is going to elevate all the teachers' efficiency, the time management, all those things. So now the similar, another one site is there, which is actually Gemini. Again, this or that also provides you wonderfully well planned structure for your question paper and lesson plan, everything. You have one more site is also there, u.com, you.com. So I have given you 3 sites for this kind of lesson plan, content creation. Even if you, sometimes your school gives you anchoring script, writing anchoring script for Republic Day celebration. And you think every year I write, how will I go for new quotes and new methodology, new words, new vocabulary? Go to ChatGPT and say, give an anchoring script for Republic Day with a praise song, mass drill, drama, all those things add on. That's it. It is going to give you a wonderful one. I will literally say wonderful anchoring script, which is going to be very useful for you all. So now I'm going to stop sharing this. You just in the Google, you type tinywow.com. That's it. Now you can see here that image to text, PDF to Word, all those things are there. But then we have to see everything. Like I may not be able to tell everything, but then I will show you how to do that. Now you can see here what all the things are possible. Yes. We'll go to the top. Now, when you click here, image. Now you can see on the top, PDF, image, write, video, file, and everything. Many times when we are we have a PDF, but then we want to copy it, but then it does not help out. You can go here and click PDF. See here, you can edit a PDF file. You can convert a PDF to Word, JPG to PDF, merge PDF, create PDF, compress PDF. All those things are available. All those things are available. Now let us go to this image. Now when you click on image, see again, here also we have the background remover also there. The same which we did with the BG remove. Okay. Now we have profile photo maker, means many of the social media networking site, they ask a profile photo which comes in a circle. That is possible. Remove person from photo. That is magic eraser, which we did before. Then we have extract text from image. This one is very, very useful. This one actually is very useful. How? When we are, let me show this, right? Let me actually open this and show you how to do that, because it is very important. Many times you have an image, you have an image with lot of text. Now, what you have to do here is you have to actually upload from a PC on mobile. Any image with the text you have to upload here. What will happen is after uploading from down, you will get the exact written text material editable. You can just copy and go ahead. I wish I have some image with text. Let me check my PC so that I can show you something. Yeah, I'll use a small, simpler thumbnail. I'll use this thumbnail image. Now it is uploading. The captcha should come. What happens is here you will get the captcha. You have to type the captcha. When you type it, it will automatically give you the text material from that image. So right now I am actually not going to, will revisit this if time permits, because there is some issues with the captcha. So again, as I said, you can restore photos, means old photos are there. You can scan it and bring it here. You can actually change the color of the photos and make it new, right? And then you can, background can be blurred, transparent background can be done, making round image, cropping the image, all those things which you want to do with the help of your, with the TinyWow, you can do it. Now, next is very important for everyone, that is content writing. See here, it will write a paragraph for you, paragraph writer, sentence rewriter, right? And then means you give a sentence, ask TinyWow to rewrite it in its own style. Now, next is you have essay writer, means give a title and it will give you essay, it will give you article, headline generator, FAQ generator, means you want to create a website and your website is all about fashion. And if you want to create FAQ on your website, so you can actually check this and then you can add on your title, then it will generate the FAQs automatically. Now, blog post ideas, Instagram caption. See, nowadays, without, without what do you call social media visibility, you cannot survive actually. So, every time you want to write a new content or write something new, you can use or take the help of TinyWow and do it. Now, you have video. Now, you can say, like, you can compress a video many times in any site. When you upload a video, it says the size, it is oversized, you cannot upload it. You come to the site and then compress the video as per required size and then upload it, and you are ready to go with it. And video can be converted to GIF files. You can trim the video. That means simple video editing can be done. Another wonderful tool here is you can play an audio and then you can convert it to text. Say, this is actually a wonderful tool. You have somebody's motivational speakers audio and you want it to be done as a text. You can play it and then that audio can be converted to text. Correct? So from your video, you can take only the audio. That is also possible. And then MOV file to MP4 or MKV file to MP4. See, some are not even up to our level of understanding. When you see all those things, only you understand how much we are all, unaware of what is being developed. And I would like to say, those who are having questions, and do not raise your hands up, because at the end of the session, we will definitely have a question answer session where you can all ask your questions by putting up your hands. So this is how TinyWow is going to help out, right? Now, file conversion also possible. Excel to PDF, Excel to XML. That these files are not, you don't even like I don't even many of the things I don't even understand. But then the basic things, the paragraph writing, essay writing. No, like children sometimes come to you for, ma'am, help me in this essay. For I need to participate in essay writing competition. You can always go here and get the help out of it. Now, when I asked what are the things you found it difficult, many people had said creating a presentation. Again, with the help of text only, you can create presentation. That is what we are going to see right now. So I'll stop sharing this. We'll have to go to Google and check out how this can be done. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to type here Gamma. See Gamma AI. It is actually so simple to use, simple interface. It will ask you to sign in. Per month, you have limited number of presentations can be created. You can actually work on the skeleton of the presentation will be ready very, very nicely. Right. Now, here you can see the options. I hope the screen is visible, everyone.
It is, ma'am. It is.
Yes, thank you so much. You can create new, go to create new with the help of AI. I need with the help of AI. Now create it. Now you can see here, there are options available for you. One is paste in text. Another one is generate. That means you give one prompt. That means what do you want? That's it. And then finally, you can import the file. That means you have a text file with the key points marked in your notepad, and you want that to be converted into a PowerPoint presentation. What could be done here is you can import the file, that is a text file, you can import it, and then you can generate the PowerPoint. I would like to show you here the way to generate with a prompt. So you are going to continue. It is asking, do you want to generate a website with your data, or you want to create a document, or you want to create a presentation? I would say I want to present a presentation. Now you need to write the describe what you want to make, right? Awesome. Here it is, 10 cards are free for us. Means in the free version, you can go for 10 cards, and you can see here there are 15 cards, 20 cards, 25 cards. There are many, but then free version will give you 10 cards only. Now I can say, I'll say something. Maybe we'll go for experiential learning. I've given only the title, that is experiential learning. And now it is saying generate outline. First, it will give you an outline. I will be covering this topics. These things can be done. So what you can do is go here, generate outline. See here, it is saying what is experiential learning, learning cycle, benefits of experiential learning, characteristics, Cobb's learning cycle. See, it is going and touching Cobb's learning styles also. Techniques, design. So it has given all those 10 outline cards, material for us. Now we are going to, like it is saying, brief text you want, medium text you want, or detailed. Now you need to go for brief text. We don't want more text. And then we can go here and Yes. Done. Now you can go for web image search also, or you can go for artificial intelligence images also, and then you can go for generate. The button is below. Continue. So I'm going to click the button continue. So it is asking you to choose a theme. Now let me check in many themes. You can see right hand side, so many themes are available. You can go there and you can choose any theme which you want for your. Okay, I'll choose this one. Yes. Done. Now you need to go for generate. You can see on the right hand side top, you have this generate option available. Go and generate it. It will take a bit of time. You need to wait. So it has come up with the, you can say, you just cannot even imagine again with the blink of an eye. It has given you a template, complete template with written material and images also. See, whatever outline it has given, it has covered all the outline here. See, all 10 cards are done. Normally, presentation, people do not take much interest if it crosses 10 cards. But then, if you think that you want more cards, what you can do is you can again visit here and again ask the next part of the presentation to present 20 cards, 10 more cards. See here, you have got everything done. It is again asking you, do you like what you created or create something else? It's just giving you an option. You can go for further changes also. So you can just like that, you can see the presentation with proper images, relevant images, and the theme is also done. Now you will think that, ma'am, it is available here. How do we use it? You can go to this share button, click here. It will give you an option to share it also and export it also. So export means you can actually download it and use it. Now the wonderful part of this is when you download it, you can actually see the background, everything is there. You can edit your text material also. And images also, you can delete it if you don't want. You can add on something else also. Only thing a little bit difficult will be the backdrop which you have, the theme which you have chosen will remain the same. But other than that, everything and anything and everything, you can go for a change. I hope you all loved this. You can write loved it. Or you can write magic. Loved it, magic, loved it, magic, loved it, magic. Very good. Thank you. I think like you all loved this part. So we are moving ahead for the next one. We'll move on to the next one. How many of you know Canva? How many of you know Canva? Anyways, I will see the messages now and then we'll move on to the next one. Okay. Now we will move on to the next one, which is again a wonderful platform, which is called as Free Pick. See, I have been a teacher for quite a long time. I think I spent my 14 years as a teacher. So I understand what the teachers, what are the problems teachers face. Many times we want, a proper image to be shown to the children. Now, the internal structure of a heart, to draw it on a board and label it without any mistake or properly drawn everything is a bit difficult task. And nowadays, every school is having smart boards, and you are allowed to use the outside resources also. See here, this is free pick. It has lot many things to do. Means like it has also artificial intelligence. You write a text and create an image is possible. All those things are possible. But what I liked here is you can choose the assert, that is vector assert. I can choose it. Now I can go for structure of a heart, structure of a heart with lady. Right. Now click on it. You can see here how wonderfully it is given. Now you can actually enlarge it. You can see the anatomy, the complete structure is given. If you need any picture for your teaching part, you can actually come to free pick and choose your images and use it for your teaching. And I would like to say every platform which I covered today, I covered the key area only I had covered. But when you explore it, you will get to know more and more and more and more things which are available for the teachers. Are you getting it? So any like in internet, if you want to learn, you need to have that capacity to explore, spending time. Then you will be able to get many things. So I just want to know the in the comment how many of you had said, I know, ma'am, I know Canva. I know, no, ma'am, I don't know, word not used. Okay. Many are there, like without knowing also. Again, here I just wanted to tell you, uh, Canva is a graphic designer's platform that everybody knows it, right? Now, why I just particularly want to tell you about Canva is actually Canva gives for all the educators Pro Canva free. So Canva also comes with the free version, but the Pro Canva version for educators are very useful in such a way. It gives you automatic, like already prepared presentation. I told you one thing, you can actually use Gamma to prepare your presentation, but there also you need to create some text to create a presentation. But here, what you can see here is in Canva, it will actually provide pre-done presentations for your topics. Got it? So how you can get it, that I will show you, because it's an opportunity for every educators to use that pro version when Canva is giving you free. Got it? So right now I will be covering Canva. Many questions, many hands are raised up. I will definitely take it up. So when you, as you all know that, what did I do? I just typed that canva.com and I've got into this platform, right? Now here one area is there, where you can go, that is the topmost menu bar has plans and pricing. Now you can see design spotlight, business, education. Now you can go for education, teachers and school. Now you can see here teachers and schools. Click on that. Now, see here, for teachers, get verified. What teachers have to do, it is simple. You have to click this get verified button. it will ask you few things. You need to submit, then you will get a pro version of it. What it will ask is, it will ask you to, like here, I cannot do it right now. Reason being, I am a part of some team, so I cannot go for educators. Now, let me tell you what it will ask you. It will actually ask you to give your school email ID. The ID, if it is Sophia, then it is your ID is Aruna at sophia.in. That kind of school ID you need to provide it, and then you will need to submit. It will ask which classes you're taking, how many years experience, which school, and school email ID. You need to fill up that data. What will you get in turn is, after a few days, you'll get a mail from Canva stating now you have got your Canva Pro totally free. So what it will give you actually is, it will give you lot of presentations. Now I'll show you one or two presentations here. Presentation on adjectives. It says, you can see that left hand side, it is with an icon of graduate cap. That means like mine is a educators pro version. Now I can actually click on it and it will say apply all 11 pages. When I apply, see here, the adjectives for presentation for adjective is ready. And we just move this bar up so that you can see it. So you can see here how you can go for, I have got first slide, second slide, and third slide. It has got some 11 slides here. Got it? So this is how it is having, you can see here, group project, max quiz, and you can search and go ahead for your presentations. This is like, I understand the pain of a teacher to do all sorts of work at school, which is going to be very easy with the help of these kind of artificial intelligence tool. So I think I hope this session was useful. But then, this kind of um, connecting with the internet and doing the demo part, offline training will be much helpful. But then I could manage it, because in between I got stuck up with my presentation also. But then, last but not least, like nowadays, everybody needs videos to be created using like either you create video or you have to copy and paste pictures and create video. Those kind of things are there is a site which is called as Pictory, and in a month's time it will allow you 3 video can be made free. Otherwise it comes with a price. So with the price, so I am not showing it right now, but then definitely I would like to I would like to tell you that you have to log in with your Gmail ID. After that, it will ask you what do you want to generate. Generate a video. It will ask for content to write. You need to write the text. A lady moving in a beach, that you can write it. Motivational quote, you can write whatever you want. The script is also there. When you do all those things, and then finally, when you say generate, it will actually create or generate a complete video of like you can state there 1 minute video, 2 minute video. It will create and generate it, and you can download it and use it. It is Pictory. It is Pictory, right? So I think I need to give some time for my, questions also. So I'll go to my presentation and then I'll share it across, and then we'll move on to the last part. You can see on the top a loudspeaker icon. Yes. Now I'm going to open the speaker so that just will wait. We should not be in a hurry.
About me. Aruna Suresh, a passionate educator with a mission to make education accessible.
Can you hear this?
I'm a teacher trainer. It is audible, ma'am. Podcaster, course developer, and graphic designer.
Can you all hear?
Are you looking to enhance your teaching expertise and unleash your creative potential? Look no further. Connect to me.
Anyways, I'll stop sharing here. Actually, it was reading from, it's still reading, but then you're not able to hear, I think. Just give me a second, I'll close that so that it stops.
I'm here to help you reach new heights in your career and creative journey.
Yes. So that's all from my side. And I want all of you to give me one comment in the comment box. How was the session?